Hi guys, so today we'll be talking on uh, new investment option which is wintwealth.com. This I discovered recently. Uh, I don't know, I think from the Zerodha YouTube channel, I think I have discovered this. So Wintwealth is a platform, it is a SEBI regulated where we can expect around 9 to 11% of returns yearly. So I have signed up on Wintwealth by providing all the the basic details like PAN card and all. So I have signed up here, and currently I have logged in on Wintwealth. So as you can see, this is the website for wintwealth.com. I will not go into much details now, but so just to brief you, this is a good platform. If you consider safety, or maybe the low risk. No, I cannot say it as fully low risk, but it is a medium risk. But as compared to TradeGrade, this is a low risk option. A little low riskier, a little less riskier as compared to TradeGrade. So, just wanted to inform you that this is a platform. It also, you know, behaves in similar fashion as per TradeGrade, where it will be. This is not a invoice discounting as such, but here also they will be raising funds from people like us. So here the minimum investment amount is 10K, and yeah, I mean 10K is the minimum amount which is required to be invested, but the maturity period is not as TradeGrade. On TradeGrade, you can see minimum, the minimum investment due date will be around 65, ranging from 65 to 103 days or more than that. But here there is no, maturity date which will be close to 100 or 200 days. It will be more than that. Yeah, so I strongly suggest you to go through this Wintwealth website. And so currently, let me just go to the homepage. Yeah, here you can see the details of Wintwealth website, how it um, generate the investments, generate the fundings. Okay, so yeah, so this is the homepage where you can see the general info about Wintwealth. So best thing which I found about the Wintwealth is this is backed by the India's top investors. Okay, so the investors like Kamath Brothers, I mean Zerodha is one of the investor here. Kunal Shah is one of the investor here. So I think that's the reason which drives me, or which attracts me to invest in this Wintwealth. Okay, so yeah, here you can see the the graph where how the Wintwealth stands in comparison to other investment option for returns versus risk reward. Yeah. So if you want to go through the process of Wintwealth, how does it work? So you can go through this video. This is the best video where you can get familiarized with how Wintwealth works. This is he's the co-founder of Wintwealth. He explains the process of Wintwealth, how it works, and what are the risks and the expected uh, interest percent we can get through the Wintwealth. Yeah, so coming to the assets, so till now it has raised, it has started with 3 to 4 deals, of which this is the first deal, as you can see, where 10% were the pre-tax returns, but will not be able to invest in this deal as the maturity is expired. It is Feb 2021, but you can see the minimum amount, investment amount is 10K. So this one was already over. This one is the ongoing deal, but as you can see, this is 100% subscribed. So we'll still not be able to invest in this deal. This is 100% subscribed. The maturity here you can see it's 17 June 2022, and minimum amount investment was 10K, and the returns were 11% pre-tax returns. So this is also subscribed. Coming to the third deal, which is also 100% subscribed, but the maturity is 3 March 2023. So here you can see the minimum amount as 10K, and the tax returns, sorry, the percent returns will be 10.25. You can click on this asset details and go through the details of what and how this investment, the asset has the cover size and collateral value and everything. the rating of that, you can go through by clicking on asset details. So yeah, so coming to the fourth deal, which is the launching soon deal, and that is on 31st May 2022. Yeah, so here you can see the maturity date as 25 November 2022, which is around 18 months, and the minimum amount is 10K to be invested, and interest payment is at maturity. That is, you will be get all the invested amount plus the interest on the investment amount at the time of maturity, which is 25th May 2022, and the expected returns is 9.5%. So you can click on asset details here. Yeah, here you can go through the asset, what the details of the asset, and you can start by clicking on invest now. So as this asset will be unlocking, I mean starting on 31st May, tomorrow, you can invest in this. If you can see, if you invest, say suppose 1 lakh amount, that is 10 lots, so you will get around 1,14,626 rupees, which is like 9.5% on 1 lakh as per yearly. So as this is 18 months deal, you will get this 1,14,000 amount at the end of 18 months.